Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set Google Keyboard as default or any other keyboard on Android devices. Simply go in settings, scroll down, go in general management or additional settings in your mobile, go in keyboard list and default, tap on default keyboard. As you can see currently Samsung keyboard is showing. Now let's open the Google Keyboard, tap on Gboard. Now let's set up the Gboard. Tap on this toggle to enable the Gboard. Now go back, select input method, select Gboard from here. Now all done. Let's go in setting again. As you can see, my default keyboard is set to Gboard. From here, now I can select Samsung keyboard or Gboard. So this is how you can set up any keyboard as default on Android devices. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.